The Propella 9S Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Propella 9S Pro electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when delivered. There's some assembly required, and I have linked a video from the company in the description box for reference. With the bike, you get the battery, charger, pedals, tool, seat, and user guide. Assembly is straightforward. Basically, you have to install the handlebars, install the front wheel, pedals, install the seat, adjust the display angle if necessary, and then adjust the brake if needed. And just to go over some specs, this has an aluminum alloy frame, 36 volt, 350 watt Vinca hub motor, and a 500 watt peak, 360 watt amp hour Samsung removable battery, and it takes 2.5 to fully charge, a color LCD display, 5 pedal assist levels, and it has a range of 22 to 45 miles, 20 mph top speed, Shimano Altus 9-speed shifter and derailleur, and it weighs in at 41 pounds. And here's a look at the overall dimensions. A walkthrough around the bike, you'll see the front has 27.5 by 2-inch tires, hydraulic disc brakes. Towards the middle and the rear, you have the battery, the charging port, battery keyhole, kickstand, and the rear hydraulic disc brakes. On the other side, you have the 9-speed cassette, the 350 watt brushless rear motor, and the rear derailleur. Looking at the handlebar area, you have the brake levers, the controls, LCD display, and gear shifter. Powering up the display, you can see that it's bright and colored. Pressing the plus button will increase the pedal assist levels, and pressing the down button will decrease it. Pressing the power button will cycle through the odometer, max speed, average speed, and time. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I will test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, test the brakes, see how it does uphill and downhill, then give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. The bike doesn't have suspension forks, and this trail is pretty rough, so let's see how it does. Alright, it's pretty bumpy. You're definitely feeling the bumps here. Alright, now we're going to test out the acceleration. This only has the 5 pedal assist modes. It doesn't have just the throttle only. So I'm going to cycle through the pedal assist modes and let's see how fast we can get. I'll start off with pedal assist 1. Here we go. Alright, nice gradual acceleration there. We're at 10 miles per hour. Moving to pedal assist 2. About 13 miles per hour on pedal assist 2. Moving to 3 now. About 16 miles per hour on pedal assist 3. Pedal assist 4. We're at 18 miles per hour. 18 miles per hour on pedal assist 4. And 5. 20 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Looks like we top off at about 20 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes, and you can use the parking lines as reference. Alright, now I'm going to do the uphill test. Let's see how it does going up this street here. It has a nice incline throughout. I'm going to keep it at pedal assist 5 and let's see if it maintains the speed. Here we go. All right, at 18 miles per hour right now. We're holding about 17, 18 right now. All right, it made it up that hill. Let's see how it does as we approach this turn here. Very quiet and smooth and feels stable. All right, we held about 17, 18 miles per hour going up that hill. Let's see how we do downhill. So I'm going to keep it on pedal assist 5 going downhill. All right, we're at 20 miles per hour, 21. All right, slowing it down a bit on this turn. Holding at about 18, 19. We're about 21 now. Picking up some more speed here, 22. All right, so it looks like about 22 miles per hour going down that hill.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. Assembly was quick and easy and should take no longer than 30 minutes in my opinion. The build and finish of the bike was good. It came in with no scratches or imperfections. The paint has a matte finish throughout. Just like the Propella SS I reviewed previously, the 9S Pro has the same look and feel with a few differences. The bike is very light, coming at 41 pounds, making it easy to transport and also use without any assist. The ride was smooth and the acceleration is steady and gradual. Although it will be a rough ride when it comes to rough surfaces since it doesn't have any suspensions to help absorb the bumps. The handlebars felt stable and it's a good length. The seat I found a bit too firm and it can be uncomfortable on longer rides, so that's something you may want to swap out. The 350 watt motor has good power for this frame. You get moving pretty quick once you cycle through the assist levels. It has a rated top speed of 20 miles per hour, which I had no problems attaining during my testing. It also has an estimated range of 22 to 37 miles, and again that will depend on the pedal assist level, the weight, and environment that you are in. The hydraulic disc brakes are powerful and there's good stopping power. They grab down quick and are responsive. I like the colored display, easy to read and the numbers are large. One thing I would have liked to have seen included, especially at this price point, are front lights and fenders. Overall, I feel this is a good bike. It has a simple, minimalistic look, and you can mistake it for just an ordinary bike. The lightweight also makes it easy to transport and move around. So that is my review of the Propella 9S Pro electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.